Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for joining me. Today we're making a very easy one sheet pan shrimp fajita dish. If you want to see how I made this, please stay tuned and please subscribe to my channel. Okay, so we're going to start off with bell peppers. Red, orange, and yellow I think are the best tasting. And they're going to make this dish pop. So if you like to use the green ones, go ahead and toss those in too, or use all green, whatever colors you want to use. As you can see here, I am removing the membranes of the bell peppers. You can leave them in if you'd like to, but I prefer to remove them. Make sure that you're cutting away from yourself or towards the cutting board to be safe. Cut your bell peppers into thin strips and make sure that they're as even as possible. I'm also cutting up a red onion for an additional pop of color. Fun fact, I used to hate onions when I was a kid. I used to pick them out of my food all the time, and then my parents would still make me eat them afterwards. Now, onions are a staple in my kitchen. Next, we're going to put our bell peppers and onions on a sheet tray with the shrimp. This shrimp has been peeled and deveined with the tails removed. Oh, and don't mind the bok choy on the cutting board. I'm using that for another recipe. This recipe is so easy. I'm telling you, if you are someone that hates to wash dishes or has a large family and needs to put something together really quick for everyone, or even if you're just living on your own, you can make this recipe and it'll go super quickly for you. This recipe is also perfect for meal prepping. I know this is going to make about 3 servings for me, so I'm good for a few meals. After you've drizzled on some olive oil, it's time for your seasonings. The ingredients and the measurements will be in the description below. However, you can always season to your liking. So now we're going to toss everything together to make sure that your vegetables and shrimp are well coated in the olive oil and all of your seasonings. I'm using my hands to toss the vegetables and the shrimp because I find it to be a lot easier than using tongs, and I can't be bothered to wash one more item. The shrimp should be in a single layer on your baking sheet, and make sure you have some space in between each piece of shrimp. Bake for 8 minutes in an oven that's been preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake until your shrimp turn pink and they go from translucent to opaque. Okay friends, about 8 to 10 minutes has passed and your food is ready. If you really don't want to wash an extra plate, then go ahead and eat this right off the sheet pan. But really, if you're going to serve this to people, go ahead and serve it on a plate. Here's the final result. I made some guacamole and added some warm tortillas, chopped up jalapeños, some lime, and cilantro. Oh my gosh, this was so good, you guys. Please let me know in the comments if you'd like to see another one sheet pan recipe. As always, thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video. See you next time.